To illustrate the scheduling functionality, we've set up 3 playlists. A PowerPoint presentation is scheduled to begin at 8 a.m. and conclude at 12 p.m. A video is set to play during the lunch hour, from 12 p.m. to 1 p.m. Another presentation is scheduled to commence at 1 p.m. and end at 6 p.m. Drag and drop one of the playlists on the screen's thumbnail and click on the Schedule button. You have the flexibility to schedule the playlist to operate daily either throughout the entire day or during specific hours. Additionally, you can designate the playlist to run on particular days or within a specified date range. Once done, click Save. Perform the same procedure for all the remaining playlists. The playlist will commence running based on its predefined schedule. You can always turn off or delete a scheduled task.